Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and schedule events on your Discord. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and head into discord.com, or you could also simply go ahead and open the application itself. So I'm just going to go ahead and open Discord on my browser and make sure that you are already logged in into your account. Once you've done that, all you need to do in order to go ahead and schedule events is simply go ahead and head into your server, click on the events tab and click on create event. You can simply go ahead and select where you want your event to be, either at a voice channel or somewhere else, and you can simply go ahead and click on next, and then this is where you can add your event topic, schedule the date and start time, and then also put the description. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.